T20 is the 6th generation of 5-axis linkage lightweight, dry and wet milling equipment produced by Zotion.
Dry milling is mainly used for CAD/CAM processing of dental materials such as zirconia blocks, wax blocks, PEEK, pmma. Wet milling is mainly used for Premill abutment, glass ceramics, wax blocks, pmma, PEEK, etc. The equipment has stable performance and large processing angle. The tool magazine can accommodate up to sharp tools. The internal monitoring system of the equipment comes with a camera optional. It can be connected to the online software for real-time remote monitoring.